Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Catherine with A Perfect Place to Start, and today I'm going to show you two simple projects using Dollar General wood cutouts. So let's get started. So our first project is going to be this village that I picked up at Dollar General, and in the supplies I have a few things that I ended up not using because I decided that simple was better, and I just really liked the elegance of it after I got the glitter on. So all we're going to do first is paint all of the pieces of this village with my PlatinumRing chalk paint. And I picked up this chalk paint at Home Depot. I will list it down in the description box, but all I'm going to do is paint this entire piece with the PlatinumRing, and it's this really nice kind of whitish gray color. So the second step to our project is to take some Mod Podge that I got at the Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is paint it onto each one of the wood pieces and add my very fine glitter on top of that. So this glitter is actually some scrapbook glitter that I had left over from a long time of doing embossing, but you could use any glitter. I liked the really fine glitter on here because it gives it a really nice shimmer in the end. I suggest when you're using glitter to make sure you do it over a plate or some kind of napkin. That way when you're putting the glitter on your project, you can dump out the excess onto the plate or the napkin and then put that excess back into your container to save it for later. This project is so simple, guys, because this is the only other step to our project is to put all of the glitter onto the pieces and then to assemble it back into the whole set of the village. I think that this turned out so beautiful. I really love how the glitter ended up looking, and that's why I didn't add any of the other embellishments I had gotten out for it after the glitter got on, because I just thought it looked so beautiful without any other things on it. So you can't see the shimmer all that well in the picture, but at the end of this video there is a video of this project and you can kind of see it shimmering, and I just really love the color with the glitter, and it's just beautiful. Today's video is part of the Keep It Simple Sunday challenge put on by Melissa Makes It DIY, and her co-host this time is Connie from Connie's Nails and Creative Creations. I will list their channels down in the description box along with the playlist so that you can check out everyone's wonderful projects for the Keep It Simple Sunday. So our second project is another one of the wood piece projects that they have over at Dollar General, and this time it is a nativity. We're going to just be keeping it simple also by painting the nativity with white chalk paint, and then we're going to go over and distress it with the antique wax. So I made sure to get out as much of the antique wax as I could out of my brush because I didn't want it to be super dark, and then as I was dry brushing it ended up being a little bit darker than I wanted it to be, but then I decided it looked pretty good with the darker color as well. I did leave the star white for a while and I was just going to put the glitter on it, and then I decided it looked funny just like this really bright white star with the rest of it being distressed, so I go ahead and distress the star as well. But I do add only glitter to the star to give the star kind of a special look to it. So if you're going to recreate either one of these pieces, I suggest that the stand part, when you paint it, that you don't paint into the little lines where it slides in. On the village, I had a really hard time getting it to slide in after I had painted the whole thing, and even this one was really tight, and I was really careful not to paint the bottoms of these when I go to slide them back in. So just be careful when you're painting that you don't paint those inside of the slats because it doesn't give it enough room for the wood piece to slide into it. I'm just going to continue to dry brush all of the other pieces, and I go ahead and do both sides of them as well, just in case you're able to see it from the other side, because they are two-sided. I'm just taking my Mod Podge again, and I'm going to paint only over the star, and then I'm going to add my fine glitter to the star to give it the shimmery look. And I liked just doing the star because I wanted the star to be special, since that's a significant part of the Nativity. Here's the final look of the Nativity, and I just love it. I have a whole room dedicated to just nativities, and I think this one is really just beautifully simple and elegant. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd love it if you give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.